Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading below 4,000 again. Last week when gold was showing recovery, gold was trading here. We discussed one thing very clearly and many times, that the up move was temporary. Why we consider the up move to be temporary? Because there was no solid fundamental reason behind this recovery. Secondly, the technical structure, yes, technical structure, if we just see like this, then obviously there was a change. Market was forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, but when we were comparing to the overall technical structure or the overall trend of the market, then we got a clear picture. In fact, we discussed in our previous videos as well. Okay, this was the overall trend of the market, and this was the recovery goal was showing us. So obviously it was quite clear to us that it was temporary, and we use this word repeatedly, temporary upside. And today we can see that yes, the upside was temporary, and right now gold is turning below 4,000 level. So one thing we discussed, and it was that if gold really needs to recover, then it needs to cross 4250 at first, and then gold needs to cross 4400. So these are the two important levels. So as long as gold is trading below 4250 4400, so whatever upside comes on gold, it will be temporary. Means the upside will just last for a couple of days, and again market will be under pressure. So this is the current scenario of gold here. And if you're wondering what is the market sentiment, then you can clearly see gold faces biggest monthly drop since late 2008 on hawkish Fed stance. Gold set for a fourth straight monthly decline. Gold weekend below 4,000 announced on Tuesday to its lowest levels in nearly 8 months, and was on track for a fourth consecutive monthly decline amid Middle East uncertainties. Yes, this is reason number one, and expectations that the US Fed Reserve will rate interest rates this year. This is reason number two. So as long as these two reasons are dominating the market, you can expect gold to be under pressure. So we need a solid, fresh, new fundamental reason that will bring upside on the chart of gold. Okay, so right now gold is trading below 4,000 level. So if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position. Yes, if you're a swing trader, okay, not investor or long-term trader, no. If you're a swing trader, if you're planning to hold gold for 2-3 days, if you have a sell, you can hold your sell position as long as gold is trading below 4,000. If gold breaks 4,000, then things will change again, and we will be we will be I don't want to use the word, okay, we will be under pressure. Okay, why? Because see, 4,000 has been, okay, acting as a magnet, we know it. एक चुंबक की तरह काम कर रहा है. Sometimes gold is trading above 4,000, gold is trading below 4,000, but it is not going far away from 4,000, but बहुत दूर नहीं जा रहा है. So that is the problem here. Okay, so if gold breaks 4,000, it will be better for it to exit from the ongoing sell position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, अगर आपको fresh position की तलाश है, then we have two opportunities today. The first trading opportunity is taking a sell below 3942. So in the morning, gold made a low of 3942. This one, the black line that you see here. If market breaks this level here, then we can look for a sell position below it. As I always say, my dear friends, consolidation before breakout or breakdown gives us extra confidence. Okay, it is very important. So if you see the market is slow during the day, okay, market is not going anywhere, that is a good sign. Because after the boring phase, when a move will come, it will be a strong one. So after a boring phase or consolidation, if gold drops or breaks 3942, we can look for a sell below 3942. Okay, and if market tries to recover, as we can see right now, that gold is trying to recover. So in this scenario, we can look for a sell around 4,000 to 4,005. Why? Simple logic. Okay, you can see here the blue line, the previous support will be acting as resistance. So if you see market showing price rejection from above, if market market reverses, we can look for a sell position. In the WhatsApp group, I also mentioned another level, which is 3983, 3986. This is another level where you can look for a seller position, but keep in mind 398386 is a weak level, and right now, as we can clearly see on the chart, okay, there is a possibility that market will break 398386. So it will be better for us to focus on 4000 to 4005. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. If you see market showing price rejection from above, market is struggling, then only take a sell position, because 4000 has been acting as a crucial level, though it is not acting directly, but it is acting as a magnet. It is standing on the middle as well, always. So let's wait and watch. Personally, if I get a chance, then I will be more comfortable taking a sell position below 3942 after some consolidation, because market is under pressure. I'm expecting a boom, a big drop. At least we can expect one good candle, isn't it? So let's wait and watch. And if anything crazy happens, in case the trend of the market changes again, फिर से change हो जाए, because see, things have been very crazy. We know it. Okay, things are changing so fast. For example, in the morning when I saw gold trading below 4000, I was surprised. But this is gold. Gold is gold. Okay, gold is full of surprises, isn't it? So if anything crazy happens, we'll get an update in the community and the group as well. Okay, so let's hope for the best. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not go for some foolish trades. Okay, do not lose your capital. Observe the market. As I said already, 398386 is the first level where you can look for a sell position. But right now, okay, things do not seem to be very good. Okay, because right now the recovery is a little bit on the stronger side. Look at the candles. In case after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, market shows price rejection from above, then we can expect one candle. Okay, I'll be going. If I take also, I'll be going for one candle. That's it. Let's focus on 4000, 4005. If market takes shows reversal signs, then only hit the sell button. In case you see that market is showing good amount of recovery, because it is possible, we have seen gold. Okay, then avoid. Okay, avoid. Forget about sell on rise. Forget about taking a sell at 4000, because see, we have many opportunities on the chart, but that doesn't mean that you need to trade on every opportunity. Do not be a gambler. Be a trader. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and follow proper risk management.